Bienvenue à bord du REM. Direction A1, Brossard. Prochaine station, Ile des Soeurs.
Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal. I'm here on the REM, and I'm on the opposite side today. This is the Griffentown side. It's about 10:30 p.m. 10:30 a.m. and we're gonna see how close we get to some of these apartments here in Griffentown. So yesterday I was on the other side. Today this is the other side. This is the Griffentown side. You can see the tall buildings. I really like this old factory building. Going around the bend now. Here we have a barrier, but you can actually see above it. Climbing the hill. Here's the old swing bridge tower. That's the Lachine Canal with the old bridge, the old swing bridge. Bridge Street is coming up. We're looking down over Pointe St. Charles on the other side. There's the container yard. Bridge Street is just over there. Wellington. This is the Pointe St. Charles rail yard. Shops, XO trains. Ile Des Soeurs in the background with the tall buildings, and we'll be going around where the Via Rail MMC is, maintenance center. The city of Montreal is behind us there. Here's the Via Rail facility. Trains there being serviced. See an LRC train, and there was another one that was a Renaissance train. There's the city right there. Skyline right in the back. With the brand new trains there. People are really digging the view on the other side there. This is the Ile Des Soeurs side. It's the autoroute. And we're just coming into Ile Des Soeurs station.
Station Ile des Soeurs. Les portes s'ouvriront sur le côté droit.